Ang English lesson na to ay tungkol sa English adverb na especially, na ang spelling ay especially, especially. Maraming ibig sabihin o function ang word na to, pero gagamitin natin ang especially bilang katumbas ng Tagalog phrase na lalo na, lalo na. Ang especially ay synonymous o kasing kahulugan din ng particularly o kaya ay above all. Especially is used to single out a person, thing, or situation over all others. Kaya nga lalo na ang translation nito sa Filipino. Ang especially ay kadalasang nasa gitna ng sentence kaya hindi natin ito dapat ginagamit sa pagsisimula ng isang pangungusap. Here's our first example sentence. I like animals, especially dogs. I like animals, especially dogs. Kahulugan, mahilig ako sa hayop, lalo na sa aso. I like all countries, especially Qatar. I like all countries, especially Qatar. Gusto ko lahat ng mga bansa, lalo na ang Qatar. My friends are nice, especially Marie's. My friends are nice, especially Marie's. Mababait ang mga kaibigan ko, lalo na si Marie's. All of the rooms are dirty, especially the bathroom. All of the rooms are dirty, especially the bathroom. Marumi lahat ng kwarto, lalo na ang banyo. I hate debates, especially if it's about religion. I hate debates, especially if it's about religion. Ayoko ng debate, lalo na kung tungkol sa relihiyon. Their baby cries a lot, especially when he's hungry. Their baby cries a lot, especially when he's hungry. Iyak ng iyak ang baby nila, lalo na kapag nagugutom. I prefer healthy food, especially vegetables. I prefer healthy food, especially vegetables. Mas gusto ko ang masusustansyang pagkain, lalo na ang mga gulay. Teenagers are stylish these days, especially the girls. Teenagers are stylish these days, especially the girls. Mapoporma ang mga kabataan ngayon, lalo na ang mga babae. Crime is on the rise, especially mugging. Crime is on the rise, especially mugging. Tumataas ang krimen, lalo na ang mga holdapan. The car is quite small, especially if you have kids. The car is quite small, especially if you have kids. Medyo maliit ang kotse, lalo na kung may mga anak ka. I don't like long walks, especially when it's raining. I don't like long walks, especially when it's raining. Ayoko ng mahahabang lakad, lalo na kapag umuulan. I love Italian food, especially pizza. I love Italian food, especially pizza. Gustong-gusto ko ang Italian food, lalo na ang pizza. It's so cold in Europe, especially in Reykjavik. It's so cold in Europe, especially in Reykjavik. Sobrang lamig sa Europe, lalo na sa Reykjavik. Baguio is crowded, especially in the summer. Baguio is crowded, especially in the summer. Maraming tao sa Baguio, lalo na kapag tag-init. Don't tell anyone, especially Yuan. Don't tell anyone, especially Yuan. Huwag mong sasabihin kahit kanino, lalo na kay Yuan. My body is sore, especially my waist. My body is sore, especially my waist. Masakit ang katawan ko, lalo na ang baywang ko. I find mathematics difficult, especially calculus. I find mathematics difficult, especially calculus. Nahihirapan ako sa math, lalo na sa calculus. Natural disasters are scary, especially earthquakes. Natural disasters are scary, especially earthquakes. Nakakatakot ang mga kalamidad, lalo na ang lindol. Insects are disgusting, especially cockroaches. Insects are disgusting, especially cockroaches. Nakakadiri ang mga insekto, lalo na ang mga ipis. The view here is nice, especially at the top. The view here is nice, especially at the top. Magandang tanawin dito, lalo na sa taas. It's getting cooler, especially in the evenings and mornings. It's getting cooler, especially in the evenings and mornings. Lumalamig na, lalo na sa gabi at saka sa umaga. Tidy up your office, especially your desk. Tidy up your office, especially your desk. Linisin mo nga ang opisina mo, lalo na ang mesa mo. Boy bands are so famous these days, especially BTS. Boy bands are so famous these days, especially BTS. Sikat na sikat ang mga boy bands ngayon, lalo na ang BTS. He loves music, especially rock. He loves music, especially rock. Mahilig siya sa musika, lalo na sa rock.